Hi guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. Last week, Direction Plus reached out to me and sent me some giveaways for you guys, and they're the tyre deflators from Direction Plus. So I'm out camping at the moment, and I thought I'd give them a go, and not so much a comparison with the video I did before, but I'll do it the same. So I'm not going to do a comparison as in I'll use the other ones that I've already got and I've already done a comparison on, but I'll do the settings exactly the same so that I've got all the tyres at 35 psi, and from memory I pressured down to 15. So I'll set these at 15, give you a look at them, and then I'll do a time as well. I'll time it as well like I did the last time, but it's not about the time, it's about the accuracy of them. So I'll open these up, have a look at how to set them, and then I'll run you guys through it, put them on the tyres, let them deflate, and we'll see how accurate they are. So in the package comes your 4 tyre deflators and a little carry bag. Also there's some instructions as well. So I'm not sure if the camera picks up. Just along here there's some gauge indicators for your pressure, just along there. So I think you wind it down to whatever gauge you want. So we're going to go 15. So there's a line at 15. So the orange, the top of the orange valve is set at 15. Tighten your lock nut down. And you might see like the top of the nut saying 20, yep, 25. I think we disregard that and we work off the orange. So when you set them up, you just hand tighten, you don't over tighten them, and then you just pull on the valve. So let's see how we go. We'll get the clock watch going. Righto, good thing is they've all shut off. So let's just see what the pressures are. We've just got to remember we're setting these manually by eye, and I'm also using a different valve to actually indicate what the pressure is. It's the same valve, or gauge, sorry, that I used over at Stockton Beach with the other ones. So it should give us an accurate sort of guideline at least. As I said, good thing is they all cut out, which is better than one of the other brands that I did a few months ago. As far as setting them all on 15, on my gauge, it's showing me about 12. Which is pretty good. As I said in the last video, just know your tyre pressures as you're doing it and what your tyres should look like when they're deflated, and just keep an eye on it. And again, with these, and I know I probably can't get it up close enough on the camera, but I had it set what I thought was 15. The orange is right on the indicator of 15, just around here. But we are working off one, human error, and hoping that the actual indicator's in the right spot. So overall, out of the 3, or the 4 now, because I did the manual one as well, the manual one was the most accurate because you're actually controlling it. And I said that in the last video. But out of the other 3, the other 2 brands, which off the top of my head I can't remember, you'll go back and watch the other video. These are probably the most accurate. One, they all cut out, and they've all cut out at roughly the same pressure. I haven't got a great variation. One of them in the other review I did, one didn't cut out of the 4, and the other 3 had about a 5 psi variation from memory. The brand that I brought had all 4 cut out, but there was a little bit of variation. They were fairly close to accurate. And these ones, the Direction Plus, all 4 cut out, and they all cut out virtually the same pressure. So guys, if you're looking for some tyre deflators and you don't want to do the manual type, jump online and have a look at Direction Plus. Keep an eye out for a couple of giveaways. As I said, Direction Plus gave me a few extra ones. Jump online for Direction Plus, or jump onto my YouTube channel. There's plenty of videos coming, whether I'm going out camp locations, cook-ups, or even product reviews and giveaways. Like, share, subscribe. There will be some tyre deflator giveaways coming up shortly. Keep an eye out for them and follow the instructions on how to join for your chance to win. Cheers guys, travel safely.